When I left high school, I don't think I ever had the intention to become a founder per se. The wish to make a difference in this world and to create impact was huge.
Making it a better place for my kids, and being an entrepreneur for me is the best way to do that. I totally support the uni also saying, hey, we're actually an entrepreneurial birthplace.
I heard about this entrepreneurial thing that you can sort of do on the side of your studies. So you have the theoretical and the practical side of things, which is super cool.
The values are brought across in a very authentic way, and it gives you all the basics that you'll ever need.
What the University of St.Gallen certainly gave me was a huge network.
All the skill sets that you need to found a company and structure it and the strategy and the business model.
The technique you learn to actually focus on a task and work towards something, it's a really strong foundation that you need to teach entrepreneurs to be continuously working strongly on pursuing your goals and your mission and not giving up.
What I learned throughout my 20-year journey of building companies, the most important learnings will come from my failures and not from my successes.
We need more diversity in general, so that doesn't only include gender but also like social backgrounds. It's really that what makes more innovation in a certain sense.
I would advise to not found alone and to really find someone that really vibing with.
Everybody wants to have a startup that has a valuation over $1 billion. But founding a startup is not a 18-month journey, it's a 10-year journey.
You really want to build something for the future. You want to make sure that you're also profitable at a certain point of time.
I don't think a unicorn per se is what you should strive for.
What you should aspire to is a company that makes products that customers want to buy. But even if you build a company that's only worth $100 million, you've already done a whole lot and should be proud of yourself.